Shit, look at the hood. The hood looks so sick. The grill is not that bad, dude. You guys have to see it in person. And the laser headlights, I think it looks sick. The wheels, carbon fiber roof. You get the standard front bumper, standard headlights. So this doesn't have the M Sport package at all. This is just a standard 430i with no shadow package, with no M Sport package, or no options. This is just a plain $45,000 car with the standard 430i. So this is just standard 430i.